So I guess this can be a first question for Ray. Obviously, with the industry standards and understanding the 32 plus years of experience, what is the difference between the Industry 4.0 and lean manufacturing that we hear the terms? There's obviously the two different terms. What would the difference in your opinion and or your experience be?
Well, I think as a lean manufacturing, it's something that's been around for quite a while. And basically, it is concentrating on the eliminating the waste as far as defect, overproduction, waiting, transportation, inventory, motion, so on and so forth. And it is basically every aspect of manufacturing try to become as effective as possible. The reality is that Industry 4.0 is super enhancement, if I can put it that way. It's a super enhancement for lean manufacturing. It would allow any operator or any manager to be able to take a look at everything just in time. I can be in my office and know that 500 feet from me, the machine is down. In the lean manufacturing, that doesn't happen. And Industry 4.0, it brings a lot of different things to the table through IIoT, that it allows efficiency, more productivity, better quality, and also utilization of the assets.
Great explanation. Anybody else on the panel? I want to open this up on any of these questions. Obviously, if I address somebody, I want everybody in the panel to feel like they have the opinion. Brian, Chris, Emily, is there anything that you'd like to add in regards, or Ken, to Industry 4.0 versus lean manufacturing in your experience?
I mean, one of the things that is going to be very different is Industry 4.0 is going to have a lot more of a technology bend to it. You can be lean manufacturing without necessarily embracing a lot of technology to do it. Now, technology through IoT and other things can make lean manufacturing much more efficient. The more information you can get, the better you can do it. But so there is going to be, with Industry 4.0, a heavy technology push. And I think you're going to see in the industry, that's where the successful companies are going to have to be successful in the future.
Yep, agree with all of that completely. The way we've looked at it is lean manufacturing has been around for a long time. There's a lot of rigor. There's a lot of methodology there. Those practices of looking for optimizations, for looking for waste, or looking for efficiency, that's going to lead to the application of technology. And really, that's really what we call Industry 4.0, is the application of these advanced technologies, the blending of the physical, the virtual, the biological, all into one system. And that comes out of, certainly can come out of those lean manufacturing methodologies.